What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a part 2 of the Nissan Titan window. As you can probably tell by the thumbnail, we got the drip pan in there. All I got to do now is just drill some holes in the bottom of the cab, just in case if there was some water to get in there, it would have a place to run instead of going into the cab. I used some heavy duty sealant. As you can probably tell by my hands, they're dirty again. This is the first coat. I'm going to put 2 coats on here. And yeah, we use like a diamond plate. I got it secured. I got 2 self tappers, one here and one here, into the thicker gauge sheet metal, so it doesn't move at all. And once that silicone sets up, I think we'll be good to go. Another thing, we got our wire ran, as you can probably see by the little pigtail coming out. I bought a switch, but I bought the wrong one, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to take that back. But I got it ran through here. I'm probably gonna do something with this here, maybe, or this one. I'm not 100% sure yet. I gotta buy a switch, on, off, on switch, because the one I bought was just on, off, and I don't know why I bought it. When I got it home, I was like, yeah, this probably isn't gonna work. But yeah, fellas, we're closing in on the last finishing touches on this thing. I think once I get it sealed up and everything's good to go, and I check for leaks again, I'm gonna cut that plastic piece. Maybe, I'm not 100% sure, because if I ever decide I want to take this out, which I probably ain't gonna take it out, because like, how cool is it having a window in the back of your truck that rolls down? Like, that's just crazy. But yeah, I mean, I think it turned out good. So now we got a cam truck with a Nissan Titan rear window, and it looks like factory to me. I know some people probably say, oh, that's ugly, that's hideous, but honestly, I think it looks really good. I still got to go around the window one more time with some more polyurethane. I've been getting home late from work, so I haven't really been doing much to it. Let me go back up here, that way you guys can hear me talk. But yeah, so the only thing we got left to do now, one more coat on the silicone around the drip pan, drill the hose for the drip pan, and then put another coat of polyurethane on there, and then wire up the switch, and then we're good to go. I already got the piggyback for the fuse that I'm going to use in the relay box, which is just an auxiliary. I'll show you guys that as well. So I got me a little pigtail right here that plugs in, and you put your fuses into that. You can pick those up at AutoZone for like $5. A lot easier tapping into the fuse box than it is running it to the battery. I am going to put an inline fuse on there as well, just in case if anything was to happen. But yeah, man, that diamond plate actually looks really good too. I paid $42 for that. I got that at Lowe's. I could have made it a little bit shorter, but I think it looks good window height. I wanted it to be level with the window. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks really good. You don't see it, especially around here in North Carolina. I know people are saying a lot of trucks in Texas has it. You don't see this often in North Carolina, which is something I wanted to do. I've had a cam truck before, cam this one again, so I wanted to do something different. Like I said, after we get this in there and good to go, next is going to be the sunroof, which is going to work out because I got to do the headliner anyways. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys have any questions on anything that you see in these videos, just drop a comment, hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, any other social medias, shoot me a DM, and I'll probably get back to you quicker on there. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.